Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will see how we can install Python, in our local machine, local computer. Okay, so just you have to open your browser, open any browser. Okay, and just type Python and go to the official website www.python.org. Okay, official website of Python. So you can see here, so here you have to click on download section. You will see there are different operating system options are there in Windows, Mac operating system and Android. Okay, so, so choose your operating system. Then based on that you can click over here. Okay, so however there are different, all the versions of Python is given here. So if you want to download some other version, so you can also choose from here. Okay, you can see here the launching date and the download links are given there. So just choose according to your requirement. So just I am showing you here how you can. So this is the latest version of Python 3.14.0. Just you have to click here. If you will click here, then you will see here. So my files are getting downloaded. Okay, so now, so you can see here file is downloaded. Okay, exe file. So I have already downloaded this file and I have already installed. So you can just click on this file and just keep following the instructions given when you install. Okay, so this is the installation of Python is very easy. So after installing the Python, okay, so how you can launch the Python? So So if you have installed, then how you can check whether Python has been installed or not? So just open the command prompt. Okay, so just type. So okay, so open the command prompt and on the terminal just type Python. Okay, and click enter. So you can see a Python 3.7.9. So this version I have downloaded. Okay, so you can see here. You can also check by doing some code. For example, 2 plus 2. You all know Python is very, you can see 2 plus 2, 4. Python is very easy language. So you can do that. Okay, hello world. So hello world. So you can see here codes are working working properly. So it means Python is installed in your system. Okay. So now, but on the command prompt, we cannot do large programs. Okay. So that is IDE platform. You cannot do lot of things there. Okay. So for that, you use separate application softwares like Jupyter Notebook, VS Code. Okay. So so how you can open the Jupyter Notebook. So let's create a one folder. Let me create a new folder for doing Python programs and give the name Python program. So this is the folder name I have given and open this folder. Okay, so in this folder I will do all the programs of Python. Okay, so I want to do the code on Jupyter Notebooks. So Jupyter Notebook is very easy for any beginners. So just type in this, go to the heading of this file explorer and type cmd and open command prompt. And yes, we open Jupyter Notebook from the command prompt. So now type here Jupyter Notebook and click enter. So it will take 1 or 2 seconds of time. It depends how fast your computer is working. Okay, so now you can see this is the Jupyter Notebook interface. So we have to open a new notebook. So here you have to click on new and Python 3. So click here. So your Jupyter Notebook will get open in the browser. In the browser you have default browser. Even you are offline, the Jupyter Notebook will open in browsers only. Whatever default browser you are using, so that in that browser Jupyter Notebook will open. So right now I am using Google Chrome as my default browser. So now click on the new and yes, I have already clicked and this is the interface of Jupyter Notebook where you perform all kinds of coding. Okay, So you can see these are the different cells. So first change the name of this Jupyter notebook. Let's suppose this is the first program. Write any file name. I am writing first program, and you can do your coding here. In this section you can see different shortcuts are given there. Okay, so yes, we will talk these things in detail later. So let's do coding. So here also, if you will pass 2 plus 2, you can see the result. Print 2 plus 2. Okay, so Python codes are working very perfectly. Okay, uh, so right now I am typing shift key. Okay, print hello world. Okay, so to run this program, you can also click here. See here, this is run. So if you will click here, so your program will get executed. Otherwise, Control C, Control V. You can click on Shift plus Enter. Okay, so you can see the new cells will get opened. Okay, so let me write a program. Let me check whether a number is even number or not. Okay, so this is the comment. So to pass a comment, you use hash symbol. So find even or odd number. Okay, so let me write some codes so that you can see how Jupyter Notebook is working and how easy Python is. If you are first time learning the Python, you are beginner, so Python is the best program you can start with. Okay, so let me take any number, num1 equal to, let's suppose I pass any number 67. So you all know 67 is odd number, but let me ask from Python what he says. If num1 percent 2 is equal to 0. You all know the logic of finding even or odd number. If number is divided by 2 and returns remainder as 0. Okay, so this operator is used to get remainder. So if remainder is 0, it means this is even number. So type print even number. Okay, else print odd number. Okay, so now run this program. So you all know 67 is odd number, so the odd number is returning. Let's me type some other number 68. Now run. 68 is even number, so you can see there is even number in the result. Okay, so in this way you can write codes on Jupyter Notebook. So even if you don't want to install uh, Python in your computer, or if you want to do coding on your mobile phones or tablets, let's suppose if you have uh, if your screen is big of mobile phone or tablet, you can do coding online also. Okay, you no need to install in your local machine, or you need high-end hardware or computer. That is not required. Okay, so there are options, so many IDs are available, but I will suggest you Google Collaboratory. Just type Collaboratory in your search bar, Google Collaboratory. You will see, just click the first link you get. Okay, so Google Colab is opening. It will take a little bit time. So now here, this is the window, it will open. So click on new notebook. Okay. Okay, so Google Colab will work little bit slow. It also depends on the hardware of your computer and the internet connection. What is the speed of internet? Okay, so just see, this is the cell open. Now you can write codes here. Okay, let's suppose 5 plus 2. Okay, just click over here. You will see it will take some time. So you can click here and run your program. So see, this is the result. Okay, so you can open new cells by typing here. Okay, so let's suppose I'm printing print Now do this print hello world, and just so you can run program by clicking here and by shortcut key shift plus enter. Okay, so shift plus enter is a little bit fast, and what your program will get execute faster, and you will also one cell will also will get created. Okay, so I will prefer you to click on shift plus enter. Okay, so let me write one program. I am writing a table of write a program to print table of a number. Okay, so I'm writing a program to print a table of number. So what number? So let's take a variable num1 and pass 2 in this variable. And for writing a table you need to initialize a loop. So I will take for loop for I in range. So if you have done programming in C, C++, Java, and you are first time in Python, then you may find this strange syntax of writing loop, for loop. Okay, so this is a range function we use in Python. Okay, so and you have to pass the range. So 1 to 11. Why I am taking 11? Because so your index of I will start from 1, and when it will reach to 11, then our program will get break. It will get out from the loop. Okay, so that's why I have taken one more numbers up to 11. Okay, so now print what num1 into I, and run this program, and you can see the result. Here you can see the result. Okay, so if you want to run uh, if you want the table of 3, then you can do this one. Okay, so let me write a program of what we have done even and odd number of program in our Jupyter notebook. See here. Okay, so just let me copy and paste these codes here. Control C, and this is the Jupyter note collaboratory. Okay, Control V, C. The codes have been copied, and you can run this program, and you can see the result. Even number 68 is even number. Okay, what I have taken 67. Just execute odd number, shift plus enter. Okay, so you can also no need to pass the numbers explicitly. You can take any number by you can take input after running. You can take input from the user. So pass the input function and give the message enter a number, and okay, so it will take a number from user. You all know input function returns some values. So input function returns values in a functions returns values. So input function will return a string value, and we all know we cannot do mathematical task on the strings data. So what we have to do, we have to change into an int or float. So let me take a int function. So I have taken here int function. I have opened, then I also have to close this one. Okay, now again run this program. So now it will ask you to enter a number. See here I have passed a message. Same message appearing here. So now pass any number. Let's suppose I am passing 34 and press enter. So you can see 34 is even number. It's true. Again run this program and pass any odd number. Let's suppose I am passing 99. Press enter. You can see this is the odd number. In this way, you can also do coding without installing Python in your computer. But I will recommend you, if you have a laptop, you are not doing high-end projects, high-end programs, so you can take you should install for learning purpose. You should install uh, in your local machine, because on Google Colab there are chances it will work a little bit slowly. Okay, so thank you, best of luck, and learn coding, and subscribe my channel so that uh, I will share the different skills, different knowledge related to data science and analytics on my platform. So thank you everyone.